Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on OmiseGo. Before we talk about it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon as well. So for my Patreon group member, I post a whole bunch of videos about coronavirus in Patreon because I can't talk about it in YouTube. And I will probably post a little bit more probably Saturday because a lot of stuff I can't talk about coronavirus in YouTube because I will get banned, unfortunately. And of course, right now people fight for safety to gold and silver. So which gold and silver coin has high resale value? Besides the appreciation of the gold price, also if you pick the right coin, the appreciation value is even more. And I talk about the next Tezos. There's a potential token altcoin will be the next Tezos. And of course, where to buy gold and silver. This is very important because people have a hard time to find where to buy gold and silver this time. And of course, there's the essential vitamins for preventing coronavirus, COVID-19. So the thing is, coronavirus is going to be here for quite some time. It's not going to just disappear. Unfortunately, we are facing the real reality right now. But anyway, if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also, you can join my library.tv. So if you join library.tv, you can also earn library token as well as just earning token just by watching video. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Let's talk about OmiseGo. So OmiseGo is basically a payment system, and the company based in Thailand. And the thing is, this coin used to be one of the hottest commodity, right? What hottest coin back in 2017, and used to be it was in top 10 of the coin market cap. Of course, right now it's no longer on the top 10 anymore. And when you look at the when you look at the market structure of this coin, already break the market structure. It doesn't look good at all. But the thing is, back in 2018, it was pumped all the way to $25, and it was really a hottest coin at the time. But right now, we are in a bear market right now. Everything got dumped, and the thing is, you have like 3 times to sell this coin, basically. $25 and here and here. If you miss this three chances to sell the coin, you right now it's go downhill. Basically, you are holding something for I don't know for how long before you can see a next pump. You have to wait for the next big bull run to see that again, or you may never see this. You may never see this again. But it's a good thing. Coinbase Pro is going to support that. So Coinbase Pro is going to support the OmiseGo. And people can start trading. I think you can start deposit the coin in Coinbase Pro next Monday, and the pair to support is like OmiseGo, US dollar, and Bitcoin, and they're going to support also Euro as well later on. Let's see, Euro. They talk about I think May 18 or something like that. So they will support euro as well, other currency as well. So this is a good thing to OmiseGo, right? Because if you listed in a whole bunch of crappy exchange, nobody is going to trade it. So and also some of the exchange already ban a lot of US customer as well, right? And of course you can use VPN to use it. You can use VPN and all that. That's not an issue. And let me know what you think about this OmiseGo token. Do you think this is a good coin, or right now it doesn't matter anymore because right now we are in a bear market? All this altcoin or whatever coin may not be good for your portfolio. And also let me know what do you think, which other coin will be the next listed in Coinbase once again. And yeah, unfortunately, if you didn't sell it at the time at all-time high, right now you lose the opportunity. You have to wait, I don't know for how many years. Just like this is just very similar to they start trading. They will add euros and sterling. Could be support on OmiseGo trading by May 19. So, but the thing is, just like gold and silver, if you didn't sell it at the time back in 2011, that was at all-time high. You basically have to wait 10 years, almost 10 years to to reach another complete the market cycle. And at the time, let's see, I remember like almost 2000, right? The 1900, the gold. In terms of silver is like 40 some dollars, right? But right now, what happened right now is like gold is like have been treading water around like 1200 for so many years, almost a decade. And right now it's start pumping again, like 1,700 at this time, right? And in terms of silver, right now is like $15 or $16, right? $15 or $14, right? At this time, so it has been treading water for almost a decade, and you have to wait for the next bull run, which is you have to wait a decade to finish the cycle and anticipate the next bull run. So let me know what you think about all this altcoin, or you prefer not to invest in altcoin, you prefer to stay investing in Bitcoin, because the thing is, all the altcoin are looking for the Bitcoin direction. If Bitcoin do not do well, altcoin will have basically no luck, right? Except maybe one or two coin, But in general, overall, everybody is looking for the direction of Bitcoin, right? And so let me know what you think about this. This project has been here for quite some time. Yes. So altcoin, you got to be, you cannot hold long term. Altcoin, at some point, you have to dump the coin. I don't want to say that, but at some point, you got to do what you got to do, right? Anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, hit the notification bell, and please comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide video for you guys. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button as well. Also share with your friends. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can has inherent risks. Please use your due diligence. I'm not your healthcare provider. If you have any questions or concern about coronavirus, you should talk to your healthcare provider.